Hi, after testing many services from the best CRM software category, I've chosen the best one. I've been working with this system for over 7 years. Implementing CRM software is one of the best ways to improve customer relationships. In this short video, I'll tell you a few secrets that will be really useful for you. Let's not waste time and getting started.
What is HubSpot CRM? HubSpot offers pricing and packaging options. If you've got a small team of 5 or a sophisticated sales force of 500, HubSpot Customer Relationship Management (CRM) software is built for companies that want to spend less time logging data. It keeps all contacts in one centralized customizable database. Start using the free HubSpot CRM today. Best 4. The HubSpot CRM is built for growing teams. Today, over 100,000 customers in more than 120 countries use HubSpot's award-winning software to attract, engage, and delight their customers. Pricing details. HubSpot CRM is available free of cost. Users can add 1 million contacts and unlimited users. Free access to the CRM has no time limit. Starter, $50 a month or $600 a year. Professional, $1,780 a month or $19,200 a year. Enterprise, $4,000 a month or $48,000 a year. Pros: nice brand, nice platform, and good capabilities in the basic version of the software. There is a lot you can learn from HubSpot and a great CRM for the companies that need a great workflow. Recommend this. Functionality is awesome and the endless opportunities for what you can do. This is what I like about HubSpot. Once you become more an enterprise level, solutions like Salesforce are probably the better choice. Cons: sometimes you get an error, says the email or DB is down. Not sure what causes that, but when you're in the middle of working and updating, it's very annoying. I hate that the UTM parameters are getting stripped from page views. It makes everything so much more difficult. Workflows can be confusing and hard to understand at times. Now I am stuck with some defined items that are inaccessible. What is MailChimp? MailChimp's all-in-one marketing platform helps small businesses market more competently to grow faster. As the backbone for your customer relationships, they provide AI-powered, user-friendly tools anyone can use to be successful. MailChimp puts your audience at the center so you can send marketing emails and automated messages, create targeted ad campaigns, build landing pages, send postcards, facilitate reporting and analytics, and sell online. Best 4. Cloud-based email marketing solution that helps businesses of all sizes design, automate, and manage marketing campaigns across various email platforms, ad channels, and more via a unified dashboard. MailChimp offers multiple pricing plans for their different products. MailChimp Marketing Platform, free, $0 per month. Essentials, $11 per month. Standard, $17 per month. Premium, $299 per month. MailChimp Website and Commerce, free, $0 per month. Core, $10 per month. Plus, $29 per month. MailChimp Transactional Email, 1 to 20 blocks, $20 a block. 1 to 500,000 emails, 21 to 40 blocks, $18 a block. 500,000 to 1 million emails, 41 to 80 blocks, $16 per block. 1 million to 2 million emails, 81 to 120 blocks. Pros: we are having an amazing experience with it and we'll suggest you as well because they offer excellent paid plans depending on your subscribers. All in all, MailChimp is an amazing solution that just keeps on giving. I would highly recommend automating your marketing through them. Our audience has loved our transition to MailChimp, especially better formatted email on mobile, and our email senders have loved the transition too. With MailChimp, the marketing team can work on emails they like to go with in-house with the help of a designer and iterate, which is a big win. Cons: you are restricted to specific designs and formats, which can be frustrating when your business doesn't match those categories. But there is a problem. When I wanted to link any picture or a sentence with a new window that is available online, I couldn't get where to I do. They have an extraordinary billing system that is designed in such a way that it sucks money out of you. I don't like the merge tags functionality. It almost always ends up not working and looks awkward and embarrasses in front of your customers. What is Zendesk? Zendesk Sell is sales CRM software that helps you close more deals. It's easy to use. 70% of companies can get sale up and running in 7 days or less. Your teams can focus on selling, not admin work, and spend less time on data entry. 80% of customers agree that Zendesk has made their teams more efficient. Best 4. Over 160,000 companies rely on Zendesk customer service solution to build the best customer experience. Our software is powerful and flexible and scales to meet the needs of any business. Pricing details. Support-only pricing starts at $19 per agent per month. Suite pricing starts at $49 per agent per month. Free trial available. Pros. Overall, it was pretty good since the product is such a feature or function rich. Getting the support to understand how to best use the product was a challenge sometimes. It's the best compared to other tools like live chat or fresh chat. Zendesk is the amazing customer success software, and we have used this tool for 6 months. It makes your customers happy. You can text, email, live chat, and social media. The best software because it is available in 40 different languages. Cons. There are issues at times with uploading data and exporting data. Sometimes data is deleted or missing for no reason. Their customer service was inferior. They had a £600 recurring subscription enabled on sign up and would not even entertain cancelling these down when we were a day into the recurring payment. Terrible product. The company should be ashamed of themselves. Not often, but some users would get confused and totally miss updates or questions sent back to us from the IT team, and therefore we lost time. What is Zoho CRM? Zoho CRM empowers SMBs and enterprises with a 360-degree customer relationship lifecycle management solution. Key features include contact management, sales funnels, pipeline management, workflow automation, AI-powered conversational assistant, task management, managing marketing campaigns, sales forecasting, customer support and service, inventory management, reporting and analytics, and seamlessly integrating with 500+ popular business apps in a single business system. Best 4. Businesses of all sizes can use Zoho CRM. You can even build your version of Zoho CRM. Sell smarter and faster with Zoho CRM. Pricing details. Free edition CRM for entrepreneurs. Forever free up to 3 users. Standard edition sales tracking for small businesses. $14 per user per month, billed annually. Professional edition complete CRM for any SME. $23 per user per month, billed annually. Enterprise edition CRM for multi-level organizations. $40 per user per month, billed annually. Ultimate edition CRM for large-scale organizations. $52 per user per month, billed annually. Pros. I have had an amazing experience using this software, so much so that I recommend this CRM to all my business development clients when starting their companies. Zoho is a pretty good CRM for first-timers. If you haven't used some of the other CRMs out there, that is good. Fantastic! Deployment is so easy and admins will love the point-and-click nature of the automation and workflows. I love Zoho. It's a great little CRM perfect for our needs at the small firm where I work. We typically use it for password management for our various clients and campaigns. Cons. We finally cancelled our subscription because it was just too much and too confusing to try to get it set. Limitations of integration and support is terrible and gives you stupid solutions. Frustrating user interface and user experience. Some colleagues use it for films, and when I get one of their films, it is frustrating and reflects poorly on the sender. The programming language for the custom functions, also the document merge function, lack of films, merging wrong characters sometimes. What is Dynamics 365? Microsoft Dynamics is a line of integrated, adaptable business management solutions that enable your people to make critical business decisions more confidently. Microsoft Dynamics works like and with familiar Microsoft software, easing adoption and reduces the risk inherent with implementing a new solution. These solutions automate and streamline financial customer relationships and supply chain processes to help you drive business success. Best 4. Office 365's plans can accommodate households, individuals, and even enterprises. Pricing details. Customer Insights from $1,500 per tenant a month. Customer Voice from $200 per tenant per month. Sales Professional $65 per user per month. Sales Enterprise $95 per user per month. Sales Premium $135 per user per month. Microsoft Relationship Sales $162 per user per month. Please contact Microsoft for further pricing details. Pros. Overall, the software is fully comprehensive and has many features. It is the best customer relationship management application I have used. I recommend Dynamics 365 to everyone searching for the best CRM ERP software because nothing is superior. I love the marketing feature and I am still learning how I can improve my sales. This is the most important part of the software. I highly recommend this software. Dynamics was great for our support and CRM tasks. The ease of managing case status and targeting resolution helped us improve our response to customers and increase customer satisfaction. Cons. There is fraud protection and MFA, which ensures valid users are logging in. Data storage limits are one of the most annoying features. Should have more storage so we can provide uninterrupted support to the customer. Difficult to use at the start of being a beginner. It's a tough and limited feature in the mobile app. Bad reporting. You need to have a Power B1. Due to customization, it is difficult to manage the users and permission given.